Hello everyone, once again welcome to Pure Stone Heart. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you will be notified in every time I have a new uploads. Don't forget to like and share my videos. Okay guys, this is another tutorial I will do because there was one viewer who asked me how to do the thumbnail. So I will make tutorial this time how to make the simplest thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Okay guys, in your cell phone you have to download PixArt. Yeah, there you go. There's a PixArt now. Now you have to open the PixArt. And this is now the PixArt loading. Okay guys, this is now the PixArt. This is now the scenario. This is the PixArt inside. So all you have to do guys is first you have to have a picture. Okay, we will do first the cut out of the picture. We will press this one, the plus button, and press all photos. Here guys, we have to find the photos that I have. If you can find any, yes, here. Okay, now guys, now I will choose this picture for my thumbnail. I will press this one. Okay, I have it here now guys. So I want in my thumbnail that only me you can see there the picture, and I will use another background, not this background. Anyway, you can also use this background, but I want to choose the other background. So we have to cut it out guys, the image itself. So all you have to do is once you cut this one, you have to press this. By the way guys, you can see here the below are the tools. Yeah, there are the tools. Now guys, we have to cut out this picture. I have to press this cut out here. And there's a choices. Person, face, hair, head, and a lot more choices here guys, background. Now, I have to choose person. There you go. See, it's red already guys. That means those area that's all red will be cut out. Then what you have to do here now is there's a choices also. You can restore, you can erase, you can preview. Now we will try to preview what it is guys, what it looks like. So there you go. I love the setup. I love how it was cut. Okay, now we're going to save it. Then continue pressing the arrow. There you go, and save it. Save to gallery. Double check. Okay, now we already have done this one. So that is the process on how to cut out the picture for your thumbnail. Now we will go to this is now the process on how you will do your simple yet elegant thumbnails. Again, you have to open the PixArt. There you go. There you go. Now we have to choose this one. We have to press this one to select. Okay. Now you can have a lot of choices here. You can press whatever color you want. But for me guys, I will search the color I like. Here you can have a lot of choices, but I want guys a brighter color, so we could add hard color or a stunning color. Now I will choose white background. From here I have to choose. From here I have to choose. Like for example, if I like this, I will try. No, this not be possible because this is bigger. When you are inside guys, the PixArt, you have to choose the smallest picture here or the smaller one. This one is for buds, the square one. You can see also this one, guys. There's a lot of rectangle like this. Continue searching, guys. The small, this one is still not possible. You have to do, guys, is to scroll until you get there. Oh, perfect. So now, guys, this one I will choose. This is the smaller. I don't know what exactly the size, but if you can see this kind of size, that is really the perfect for thumbnail. And note, guys, in my previous tutorial, in order for you to use the picture, you have to choose the remix, because that is possible. That is the possible way to use it. So we have to press this remix. There you go. Now you are here already in the picture, guys. So as you can see here, there is a lot of tools in the lower part. Okay, this is the tools you can use. Now in the thumbnail, we're talking a while ago that we have to put our picture. We have to put the picture that we cut out earlier. How we will do it? We will choose the tools here in the down by scrolling, and we will choose the add photo. We will press the add photo. There you go, guys. This is the one that we cut out a while ago. So I have to press this one. Press add. There you go. So now you can use this one. You can do anything. You can place this one anywhere like this by pressing at the center. Now I want this one, guys, to be enlarged with this part here, or put anywhere in your finger somewhere and enlarge them. That's possible. Now there you go. So it's already large now, guys. So I have to put it here in the side part. Okay. Yes. There you go. Now I guess for me that's the position of my picture will be in a better place. So you have to press somewhere to remove this highlighter. Okay. So now it's perfect to look it up, guys. Now we have to add a title or the words that you want to put. For me, guys, since this tutorial, I made this one for my thumbnail on how to make a simplest thumbnail. I will write that one. Making okay, making simplest thumbnails. Okay, so I guess making simplest thumbnails, that would be it. Okay, you can bring it here. You can adjust by pressing this one again. There you go. So here, guys, you can play whatever you want, the position where you will put. You can put it here, there, or anywhere as you wish. But here, guys, we have to put color. So if you watch my previous video, you know how to put the stroke, the color. So now I will put stroke for that, guys. That will be emphasized. Like for example, this is like the black color. That would be possible because it will emphasize the letters. But we have a lighter background, so we need a harder color. I will choose this one. It would be like, then we have to put the color for that. You can change the stroke like this, any color you want. But for me, guys, I want to use black color to emphasize because we have a lighter background. Now, we will choose colors. Press this one and you have to choose colors. Like for example, this one. This is a very good, very nice. This one. This is also catching. I want another, the yellow, the yellow one, or the lighter yellow, or This one, I guess this one for me guys is really perfect for now. Now I have to adjust the size by pressing this one. You can do that one, press that one, put it here somewhere, and like for example you can adjust a little bit, press this one like this to make like that, the small one, and put it here. So there you go guys, you have making simplest thumbnails. We will add another words here guys. We will add text for your YouTube videos. Okay. For, I will short it cut. For your YouTube videos. Press that one. Again, we have that one here. We will adjust. Okay. Again, we need to put stroke for this. There you go. So, you have to make like other stroke. You have to choose another one too, so that it will be eye-catching to the audience. So, I will try to use red background. No, sorry. Red stroke. Let's see guys. Okay, there you go. We have another color, red. Adjust. You have to adjust like this. Oh, there you go. Put it here. Now you can choose the color. Now we need to change the color. We will choose I want this one, or I want this one, I want this one. It's up to you guys. There you go. So I guess guys for this one is, this is perfect for me. That one or this one. This one is for me. Good. Now I want this one guys, the word for your YouTube videos. I want to change the font. So I have to choose here, scroll, and find this one. So this one I love this one now. I will adjust the picture again picture. Then I will adjust there you go. So I guess this is really not perfect for me guys. Now I already have simple thumbnail. Okay, making simplest thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Now we have to save this one. We need to save this one by pressing this one. Continue pressing this one. Again, save this one. Continue saving that one. Save this one. Double check and save. Now guys, what? Checking that one, if it is already saved, you have to go to your picture. You have to go to library, and here PixArt. There you go guys. It's say here. So you already have your simple thumbnails. Time guys, I will also do another tutorial using the different of thumbnails that you have to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, share my videos,